Let's make a delicious cauliflower soup by pimping up an otherwise boring instant soup using just a handful of ingredients. Boil the cauliflower until it gets soft and has little chew resistance. This takes some time, so meanwhile in other pots and pans, fry the bacon and make the instant soup as instructed on the package, or heat up a canned soup, whatever you find at the store. Once the soup is done, turn down the heat and add the ready boiled cauliflower from before. Add some salt and pepper to enhance the flavors, then let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes so the flavors can come together. Once the soup is done simmering, stir in some creme fraiche or sour cream to enhance the flavors even more before serving. Top it off with the bacon. You can also add some green shit to it to make it look more inviting, like fresh parsley, for example.